Hey everybody, recently I made up all this new desktop, which I'll probably show you in another video how I did that. But at the moment I'm having all sorts of problems with the mouse on this desktop. It's a slightly textured surface and it's not working. In the past I've just had white desktops and it's been wonderful. So I came up with this way of taking out the frustration of what this thing is causing me. So I've got an MDF sheet up at Bunnings, only $5 for a great big sheet. Cutting out several sections at A4 size. Sanding off the edges, cleaning it all up. A very cheap way of making a mouse pad. I know mouse pads don't cost much when you go upstream buy them, but I thought this way I can make several, and when one gets dirty I just chuck it out and start another one, because it works out at probably 50 cents a mouse pad. So there you go. I'm very happy with this new system and it's all working really well. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you all again very soon. Bye.